Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making a delicious Indian style potato burger, crispy on the outside and yummy in the inside, yeah? Very easy to make. You're really gonna enjoy this recipe. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Alright, so first of all I'm gonna add in the boiled potatoes. These were boiled with a touch of salt, very easy. Really, don't tell me you want me to show you how to do that. I'm just gonna mash these up. These are super easy to make and very delicious. And good thing is they are vegetarian. We don't have to eat meat all the time, do we? Alright, so there we go. In with the green chili. Here I'm gonna add my fresh coriander into there. Beautiful, it's gonna give that amazing taste and freshness. Red chili, cumin seeds. Now I'm using here some coriander seeds. They will go perfectly with our burgers. Just gonna lightly crush them. Go ahead, a bit of the garam masala. Just add that in. Finally, a good pinch of salt. Now with your beautiful hands, give this a good mix, yeah? Just gonna mix this up. Here we go. Already smells amazing, you know? One of the best potato burgers you will ever eat. Once you have obviously mixed this, you can let it rest in the fridge so it cools down a bit and it's easy to make the patties out of it, yeah? Perfect. Let it rest in the fridge 15 minutes. So grab a bowl like this one. Just gonna add around 3 tablespoons of plain flour into there and around 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Touch of salt into that. Doesn't need to be bland. Now add some water into that. I'm just gonna turn it into around medium thick paste. And this is what you're looking for. Can you see? It's not too thick. Here we go. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is just grab a plate, grab your batter, go ahead some of the breadcrumbs, go ahead my mixture which is rested for around 15 minutes in the fridge. What I'm gonna do now is just gonna start making patties, alright? So you need around, I would say around 4 to 5 tablespoons in your hands, as you can see. And then I'm gonna do is place this here and we're just gonna start turning into a nice beautiful patty. As you can see, look at that. At this point in time, what you can do is dust it with a touch of flour, alright? Remove the excess using a bit of flour so our batter sticks to it. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna place that into there, move it to the other side. What you can do now is just gonna dip them into your breadcrumb. Move it around, alright? So look at that. Beautiful. So you got the idea, yeah? Onto a plate. Lovely. Mixture onto your hands. Touch of flour. Remove the excess into the batter mixture. A bit of the breadcrumbs. Just move it around. A beautiful patty. Place it here.
Perfect.
Added a touch of oil. I'm just gonna let it heat up. I'm just gonna start adding our burgers nice and easy. There we go, beautiful. Here goes the other one. Gonna let them cook for around 2 minutes until nice and golden. So I'm just gonna turn this nice and easy, flip them over. Look at that beautiful crust. Carefully, there we go, look at that. The color is great. We're just gonna remove them now, yeah? Amazing. Alright, so let's plate this up. Just gonna grab my brioche bun, which was lightly toasted. Just gonna add a generous amount of this onto our beautiful brioche bun. Burger patty. Place it onto here. Some of the onions if you like. A bit of the tomatoes if you like.
Perfect.
Cover this up, alright? Make sure you definitely try it, yeah? Shall I take a bite? There we go. Bismillah. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Look at that. Let's dig in.
Perfect.
crispy on the outside. Very delicious flavor, you know. Those chilies, coriander. Wow. And these onions and tomatoes really add that touch. It's so tasty. You gotta try this. Really impressed. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.